Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 network. Here's the latest update. India's official Oscar entry, Lapta Ladies, has been eliminated from the 2025 Academy Awards race. While the film is no longer in contention, a different movie with Indian connections has made it to the shortlist. Moving to politics, the Maharashtra Legislative Council has erupted over controversial remarks made by Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. The opposition staged a walkout in response to his comments, leading to heated debates. In defense of his minister, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come to Amit Shah's support, countering allegations by the Congress that the Home Minister insulted Ambedkar. The opposition, however, remains firm in their demand for Shah's resignation. Meanwhile, Mayawati has called for action, criticizing both the BJP and Congress for failing to uphold Ambedkar's vision. She demands more than just words on the matter. In the same vein, Mamta Banerjee has slammed Amit Shah's remarks, labeling them as an insult to millions. The opposition, led by Congress, is calling for Shah's resignation and an apology, warning that continued disrespect toward Ambedkar could lead to unrest. The Congress party has also joined the chorus, demanding Amit Shah's resignation over his remarks on Dr. Ambedkar. While the opposition accuses the Home Minister of insulting the iconic leader, the BJP has defended Shah's statement. In sports, Ravichandran Ashwin has announced his retirement from international cricket, marking the end of an era in Indian cricket. However, Ashwin will be back in action for Chennai Super Kings in the IPL 2025 as the franchise recently bought him in the mega auction. Turning to the farmers' protest, the Supreme Court has reassured the protesting farmers that the court's doors are always open. The court expressed its readiness to mediate, urging both the government and farmers to resolve the ongoing impasse. In political developments, Congress has nominated Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to the Joint Parliamentary Committee, which will examine the One Nation, One Election bills. The committee will gather input from various stakeholders before presenting recommendations to Parliament. And in automotive news, Maruti Suzuki has launched the Celerio Limited Edition at a price of Rs 4.99 lakh, along with complimentary accessories worth Rs 11,000. This enhanced version of the popular hatchback is expected to be a great value for money option, especially for buyers this festive season. That's all for today's news update. Stay tuned for more at Channel 6 Network. I'm Ankita Singh, and good night.